வணக்கம். 8th Standard Science English Medium Unit 17 Plant Kingdom. Textbook exercises. Choose the best answer. Solanum trilobatum is the binomial name of Thuthuvallai. The word solanum refers to answer option B, genus. Floridian starch is a reserve food material of answer option C, Rhodophyceae. An example for colonial form of algae is answer C, Volvox. One of the following is an edible mushroom. Answer option B, Agaricus. Fifth question. Plants that prevent soil erosion are answer C, bryophytes. Sixth question. The first land plants are pteridophytes. Answer B, pteridophytes. Seventh question. The well-developed sporophytic plant body is seen in answer option D, angiosperms. Question number 8. Binomial nomenclature was first introduced in the year option D, 1623. Question number 9. Penicillin is an antibiotic which is extracted from answer B, fungi. Fill in the blanks. The word taxonomy is derived from dash Greek. The word taxonomy is derived from Greek. Second question. Binomial nomenclature was first introduced by Carolus Linnaeus. Binomial nomenclature was first introduced by Carolus Linnaeus. The book Genera Plantarum was published by Bentham and Hooker. The book Genera Plantarum was published by Bentham and Hooker. Fourth question. Monocotyledon seed bears only dash cotyledon. Answer 1 cotyledon. Monocotyledon seed bears only 1 cotyledon. Fifth question. Brown algae belongs to dash class. Phaeaceae class. Sixth question. Agar-agar is obtained from dash algae. Red algae. Question number 7. The reserve food material of fungi are answer glycogen and oil. The reserve food material of fungi are glycogen and oil. The first true land plant is dash pteridophytes. The first true land plant is pteridophytes. Ninth question. Xylem and phloem are absent in dash plants. Bryophyte. 10th question. Reticulate venation is present in dash plants. Dicotyledon plants. Dicotyledon. State true or false. If false, correct the statement. In polypetalae, the petals are free. Answer true. Second question. Binomial names should contain more than 2 words. Answer false. The correct statement is binomial names should contain not more than 2 words. Third question. Artificial system of classification is based on a few characters of the plant. Answer true. Fourth question. Cell wall of fungi is made up of chitin. Answer true. Fifth question. Pinus is a closed seeded plant. Answer false. It is not closed, it is naked. The correct statement is Pinus is a naked seeded plant. Sixth question, all bryophytes are hydrophytes. Answer false. The correct statement is all bryophytes are not hydrophytes. Seventh question, dicotyledons have well developed characters than the gymnosperms. Answer true. Eighth question, mosses are the well developed plant in bryophytes. Answer true. The dominant phase of the bryophytes is sporophytes. Answer false. It is not sporophyte, it is gametophyte. The correct statement is the dominant phase of the bryophytes is gametophytic. 10th question. The dominant phase of the pteridophytes is diploid 2n. Answer true. The dominant phase of the pteridophytes is diploid 2n. Match the following. Column 1 and column 2 are given. In column 1, Cyanophyceae, Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae and Rhodophyceae are given. In column 2, green algae, blue-green algae, red algae, brown algae are given. We have to match it correctly. Cyanophyceae, blue-green algae, Cyanophyceae, blue-green algae, Chlorophyceae, green algae, Chlorophyceae, green algae, Phaeophyceae, brown algae, Phaeophyceae, brown algae, Rhodophyceae, red algae, Rhodophyceae, red algae. Let's answer very briefly. Define thallus. Question number 1. Define thallus. Answer. The plant body of algae are called thallus. Second question. What is mean by binomial nomenclature? Give example. Answer. Scientific method of naming the plants with two words are known as binomial nomenclature. Example, binomial name of mango is Mangifera indica. Third question, write any two characters of dicotyledons. Answer, seeds have two cotyledons. Plants have tape root system, leaves with reticulate venation. Fourth question, seeds of gymnosperm plants are naked. Why? Answer, seeds of gymnosperm plants are naked, that is, the ovule is not enclosed by ovary. Fifth question, write any two economic importance of fungi. Antibiotics are obtained from fungi. Example, penicillin from Penicillin notatum. Fungus like Aspergillus and Erythrothecium asbile are used to produce vitamin B2, that is riboflavin. Answer briefly. Question number 1. Write short notes about natural system of classification. Answer. Natural system of classification. In this system, plants are classified on the basis of several characters. Bentham and Hooker's classification is an example of natural system of classification. This system of classification is based on morphological and reproductive characters of the seeded plants. This classification is widely used in many herbaria and botanical gardens all over the world. Second question. Write any three economic importance of algae. Answer. Economic importance of algae. Agar-agar. Agar-agar is extracted from some red algae, namely Gelidium. Gracilaria, etc., which is used to prepare growth medium in laboratories. Iodine. Iodine is obtained from brown algae like Laminaria, that is help. Algae in space travel. Chlorella pyrenoidosa is used in space travel to get rid of carbon dioxide and decompose human waste. Third question. Write the differences between algae and fungi. Algae, fungi. Algae are autotrophs. Fungi are heterotrophs. Algae, it has pigments. Fungi, it has no pigments. Algae reserve food material in starch. Fungi reserve food materials are glycogen and oil. Algae, some algae are prokaryotic in nature. Example, cyanobacteria, that is Nostoc anaebinea. All are eukaryotic nature in fungi. Example, agaricus. Fourth question. How many classes are there in bryophytes? What are they? There are 3 classes in bryophytes. They are class 1, Hepaticea, liverworts, example Riccia. Class 2, Anthocerata, hornworts, example Anthoceros. Class 3, Musci, mosses, example Funaria. Write any 4 characters of pteridophytes. General characters of pteridophyte. Pteridophytes are the first true land plants with xylem and phloem. Hence it is called vascular cryptogams. Pteridophytes also exhibit alternation of generation. The diploid saprophytic phase alternates with the haploid gametophytic phase. The main plant body is sporophytes, which is the dominant phase, differentiated into true roots, stem and leaves. Sporophytes reproduce by means of spores. Spores are produced in sporangium. Answer in detail. Draw the outline of Bentham and Hooker system of classification. Outline of Bentham and Hooker system of classification. Seeded plants division. The classes are Dicotyledonea, Gymnospermae, that is there are 3 families in Gymnospermae, and Monocotyledonea. The Dicotyledonea has subclasses Polypetalae, Gamopetalae and Monoclamidae. The Polypetalae have series Thalamiflorae, Disciflorae and Calciflorae. Gamopetalae has series Inferae, Heteromerae and Bicarbellatae. Monocotyledonea has series 8 and family 36. Write any 5 differences between monocot and dicot plants. Monocot plants, seed has only 1 cotyledon. Dicot plants, seed has 2 cotyledons. Monocot plants have fibrous root system, leaves with parallel venation. Dicot plants have taproot system, leaves with reticulate venation. Monocot plants, flowers are trimerous and not differentiated into calyx and corolla. Dicot plants, flowers are tetramerous or pentamerous. Calyx and corolla are well differentiated. Monocot plants, pollination occurs mostly by wind. Dicot plants, pollination occurs mostly by insects. Monocot plants, example grass, paddy, banana. Dicot plants, example bean, mango, neem. Third question, write differences between gymnosperm and angiosperm. Gymnosperms are naked seeded plant. Angiosperm are the closed seeded plants. Gymnosperm, the ovule is not enclosed in ovary. Angiosperm, ovule is enclosed in ovary. Gymnosperm have sporophytic and gametophytic cycle. Angiosperm. Angiosperm have only gametophytic cycle. Gymnosperm. They are non-flowering plants. Angiosperm. They are flowering plants. Gymnosperm. They do not produce fruits. Angiosperm. They produce fruits. Gymnosperm. Xylem has trachea. Angiosperm. Xylem has vessel, trachea, xylem parenchyma and xylem fiber. Gymnosperm. Phloem has sieve cells. Angiosperm. Phloem contains sieve tubes. Phloem, parenchyma, companion cells and phloem fibers. Fourth question. Write the economic importance of gymnosperms. Economic importance of gymnosperms. Woods of many conifers are used in the paper industries. Example, Pinus agathis. Conifers are the source of softwood for construction, packaging and plywood industry. Example, Cedrus agathis. Turpentine is an essential oil used for paint preparation extracted from the resin of pinus. It is also used medicinally to get relief from pain and bronchitis, etc. Seeds of Pinus gerardiana are edible. Ephedrine is an alkaloid extracted from ephedra. It cures asthma and respiratory problems. Araucaria bidwilli is an ornamental plant. Fifth question. Write the names of medicinal plants and explain their uses. Medicinal plants and their uses. Medicinal plants. Acalypha indica. Kuppeimeni. Uses. It belongs to the family Euphorbiaceae. The paste obtained from the leaves of this plant is used to cure the burns on the skin. The juice of this plant leaves is mixed with lemon juice to cure ringworm. Second one, Aegil marmelos, Vilvum. It belongs to the family Rutaceae. The unripe fruit of this tree is used to treat indigestion. It is used to cure chronic diarrhea and dysentery. Third one, Solanum trilobatum, Thuduvalai. It belongs to the family Solanaceae. The leaves and fruits of this plant cure cough and cold. It is widely used in the treatment of tuberculosis and bronchial asthma. Phyllanthus amarus, Keelanelli. It belongs to the family Euphorbiaceae. The entire plant is used for the treatment of jaundice. It gives additional strength to human liver and used to treat other liver disorders. Aloe vera, Sotru Katralai. It belongs to the family Liliaceae. Leaves of this plant used to cure piles and inflammations on the skin. It cures peptic ulcer.